In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to abort a game before any moves are made. This is a quick, useful action for those moments when you get paired into the wrong time control, your internet hiccups at the start, or you simply realize you're not ready to play. The key idea is simple. Find the dedicated abort control as soon as the game begins, and use it before either player makes a move. Let's walk through it clearly and calmly so you can do it without second guessing. First, as soon as the board loads, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel that typically includes the move list near the top and a chat area below it. Nestled between these two sections is the control you're looking for, labeled Abort. It may be a small button or a clearly marked tab, depending on your board theme or screen size, but it lives in that right-hand panel. Take a second to orient yourself. The board is centered, the move list is usually just to the right of it, and the chat sits further down. If you're on a compact display, the panel might feel tight, so pay attention to the area between the move list and the chat and look for the Abort label. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're in the active game view and not an analysis or settings screen. Once you've located the Abort button, click it promptly to cancel the game before any moves are made. Timing matters here. The option is available only at the very start. If either you or your opponent plays a move, the Abort option typically disappears and the game proceeds normally. Clicking Abort ends the game right away at the starting position, helping you avoid an unwanted game without impacting your rating in most standard setups. If you're hesitating, remember that aborting is designed for exactly these situations, so act confidently and quickly. After you click, you'll be taken back to your usual lobby or pairing view, ready to start fresh under the conditions you actually want. To recap, the process is straightforward. Scan the right side panel as the game begins, spot the Abort button between the move list and chat, and click it before any moves happen. With that simple habit, you'll never feel trapped in a game you didn't mean to start, and you can restart on your own terms just moments later.